Hey, it's Speaker Shonda Bradley, corporate trainer and life coach. I'm so excited because I get to talk about one of my favorite topics, which is making quality decisions. I know you've made decisions and you were happy with the results, right? And then there were other times you made decisions and you weren't too satisfied with the outcomes. I know I can relate to both. There's some stuff I wish I could go back and do over again, but I know I cannot. So I refuse to allow myself to spend my energy meditating on what I can't change, but instead allow myself to extract lessons from those experiences and learn and grow from them. I like how Mike Murdoch said, our lives depend on our decisions. See, one decision can change your entire existence in a good or bad way. See, one decision can rewrite your narrative. So you want to make quality decisions. Quality decisions, what's that? Quality decisions require that we raise the bar, increase our standards, and be more intentional and expect God's best. Quality decisions could involve some kind of risk. I have a mentor who takes risk that the average person does not take. And so my mentor lives an impressive life that the average person does not live. And because I understand that success is governed by principles, how you do things. One time I asked him, what kind of principles you flowing in? And his response was, I'm not afraid to lose. And that's why I always win. See, you can't be afraid to make the decision you know you need to make or procrastinate on that move that you know you need to take. Listen, you have to be decisive. Don't be double-minded. 50% of the battle in making a quality decision is making up your mind.